بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن.
My name is Abdul Majid and I teach here at the Islamic School. Around 30 to 35 children come here from faraway places. Some of them are visually impaired, but their dedication is remarkable. They memorize everything I teach them just by listening.
We feel great happiness that an Islamic school has opened for us. It brings immense joy for our children. For me, my children, where would we have gone if the school hadn't opened? Now that it has, we are very happy. It is the best thing for us, a true blessing.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان